Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is features of a good table or guidelines for the construction of a table. You see, construction of a table depends upon the objective of study. It also depends upon the wisdom of the statistician. And there is no hard and fast rules for the construction of a table. However, some important guidelines should kept in mind, and these guidelines are the features of a good table. Number one is title as compatible with object of the study. See, title of a table must be provided at the top center of the table, and it must be compatible with the objective of the study. Second one is comparison. It should be kept in mind that items, that's called cells, which are to be compared with each other or placed in columns or rows close to each other. This facilitates comparison. And third one is special emphasis. Some items in the table may need special emphasis. Uh, Such items should be placed in the head rows or head columns, extremely left. You know, head rows means top above, and head column means extremely left. Moreover, such items should be presented in bold figures. Fourth one is ideal size. Uh, Table must be of an ideal size, and to determine an ideal size of a table, a rough draft or sketch must be drawn. Rough draft will give an idea as to how many rows and columns should be drawn for presentation of the data. Number fifth is stubs. You see, if rows are very long, stubs may be given at the right hand side of the table also. So if rows are very long, stubs may be given at the right hand side of the table also. Now, use of the zero. Zero should be used only to indicate the quantity of a variable. It should not be used to indicate the non-availability of data. If the data are not available, it should be indicated by not available, NA, or minus sign. Okay. And headings. See, headings should generally be written in a singular form. For example, in the columns indicating good, the word in the columns indicating goods, the word good should be used. So heading should be generally be written in the singular form. And abbreviations. Eighth one. See, use of abbreviations should be avoided in the headings or subheadings of the table. Short forms of the words such as government's MP, that is monetary policy, etc., should not be used. Also, such signs as ditto, should not be used in the body of the table. Now, another point is footnote. Footnote should be given only if needed. However, if footnote is to be given, it must bear some asterisk mark like this. Correspond to the concerned item. Right? It should be like this. Okay, let me show you again. This should be like this. Okay, now 10th one is units. Hope you get it like this, and then this and this. Units used must be specified above the columns. If figures are very large, units may be noted in the short form as 000 hectare or 000 tons. Uh, Length one is total. In the table, subtotals of the items must be given at the end of each row. Grand total of the items must also be noted. 12th one is percentage and ratio. Percentage figures should be provided in the table if possible. This makes the data more informative. 13th is extent of approximation. If see if some approximate figures have been used in the table, the extent of approximation must be noted. This may be indicated at the top of the table as a part of the head note or at the foot of the table as a footnote. 14th one is source of data. Source of data must be noted at the foot of the table. It is generally noted next to the footnote. 15th one is size of columns. Size of the columns must be uniform and symmetrical. And 6th one is ruling of columns. Columns may be divided into different sections according to the similarities of the data. And the 7th one is simple, economical and attractive. A table must be simple, attractive and economical in space. Thank you very much.